to another episode of Foundation Fridays. The foundation that we're going to be reviewing on today is NYX Born to Glow Foundation. Now, NYX does have other foundations. They have, I have it here on my iPad because I couldn't remember the name. So they have the Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. They also have the Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. They have that in the liquid. And then they also have a Can't Stop Won't Stop Powder Foundation. They also have a Control Drop Foundation with a little dropper. And of course they have the Born to Glow. And they also have Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. And they have the HD Studio Photogenic Foundation. So they have a wide variety. I was very impressed. A lot of people who know, about the products that I use a lot of NYX products. Like I use a lot of their lip liners, their eyeliners. I love their lipsticks and their lip glosses. I use a lot of NYX products, but I had never tried their foundation. I also have their setting powder, but never tried their foundation. Why? I don't know. Usually when I get NYX, I'm at the beauty supply store and they have the little NYX counter, and I never really pay attention to the foundation at all. I just get other little stuff, like I said, the lip gloss, lip liner, eyeliner, stuff like that. So I decided to go ahead and try it. This is the foundation that I heard more about rather than the other ones. But I was very impressed to find that they had such a wide variety of different foundations. So thumbs up for that. I was really impressed with that. I ordered this straight from the NYX website. They do have this at some Walmarts. Ulta carries it as well. I was very surprised about that. I didn't know that Ulta carried NYX products at all. I don't really go to Ulta that much. I'm more of a Sephora girl, okay? Yeah, so NYX has it. Some Walmarts. I know some Targets have NYX products. So there's multiple places you can get it. And also, of course, you can just get it from Amazon, okay? Only thing about Amazon is that you may not have all of the shades available to you to choose from. So that's just the only thing about that. So I wanted to see the wide variety of shades that they have. So I went straight to the NYX website so I can look at all of the possibilities of what they have. So I went on their website and they have a wide variety of shades. I was really surprised at the wide variety of shades that they had. I just wasn't really expecting that from NYX. But they had over 40 different shades in this Born to Glow foundation. That's really good. Yeah, that's really good. I was really impressed with that. I was glad about that. I love a foundation that has a wide variety of shades and appeals to all different skin types and all different shades. So thumbs up for that as well. Now, the one that I got is the almond, and it said that almond was medium with cool neutral tones, which is about what my skin tone typically really is. So it says that, trying to see what the coverage is for this. This one does not necessarily specify if it is full coverage, but we'll go ahead and see when we get ready to put it on. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on. Nice packaging, you can just squeeze it out. I like that. Any foundation packaging is really important to me because it needs to be something that's not too bulky, but something that I feel like my product is secure in, and also something that allows me to be able to control the product. Anything that I can have to just pour on, I don't like that. If I can squeeze it out, that's pretty good. And if I have a pump, we're good on that too. So this has a, I can just squeeze it out just like Juvia's Place foundation, where I can just squeeze out the product. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this foil here. Okay, and yeah, so you guys can kind of see the shade there. I kind of think just by looking at it that it might be a little bit too light for me. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see right now. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with my e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. This is my go-to. I love this primer. Never had any issues with it. I use this, and I also use my Fenty Beauty primer as well. And as you can see, I have already done my eyebrows. If you'd like to know more about how I do my eyebrows, make sure you check out my eyebrow tutorial. It is very detailed. I usually don't do my eyebrows in my videos just because it's just like, once I do that one tutorial, all the information is right in there, and it's just kind of tedious, you know? Unless I was doing like maybe a get ready with me, which I haven't done, but I probably will do a get ready with me very soon. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this. I wish I knew if it was full coverage exactly, because it'll kind of give me an idea of how much to put on. So I squeezed a little bit out. It doesn't seem like it's very thick like the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, which was very, very thick. Not that I had an issue with it, but when blending, it's really easy to blend it when it's not as thick. It can be full coverage and not thick, which we saw with the Huda Beauty. It wasn't very thick, but it was definitely full coverage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some dots in some random places. And then I'm gonna get my beauty blender and I'm going to wet this. A lot of times you guys don't see my beauty blender being wet, but yes, I always wet my beauty blender when I use it, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and see how this, okay. So definitely not full coverage, okay? I can definitely tell that. Usually I use a brush. I usually don't, I usually go in with my beauty blender after I've applied with my brush, but it's time for me to clean my makeup brushes. And I haven't done that yet. And I didn't want to mix like product, you know, because I really want to be able to see what this is really looking like, you know what I'm saying? You listen, I definitely think the shade is really good. Wow. Let me blend that in there, my concealer for my eyebrows. The shade looks really, really good. Really good. Yeah. I actually like the shade. I did pretty good with the shade, and basically with that, I pretty much know, after buying foundations, you pretty much know what your shade description is. And I know that I usually have cool neutral, and I know I'm usually medium. My skin is not really necessarily deep. Some say it just really depends on the product too. So you gotta kind of look at their picture, look at the description, because there was one foundation that I looked at, and I think it was Clinique, that had me deep. Like, you know, you go to Sephora's website, I love that, they do that, they'll match your foundation. So I put in that I was Fenty Beauty 420, and they matched me with Clinique, I forget the name of it, but it was deep something, and I was like, deep, what? But yeah, this is pretty good, this foundation. I like the smooth look, very nice and smooth. I like it, and it's very, it does kind of have a little glow to it. I mean, I like this. It was, I forgot to tell you how much it cost. It was $10 on the website. I'm gonna put a little bit more here under my eyes, my eye area. It was $10 on NYX website. Okay, $10. Which is not bad. So this, of course, is on the cheaper side. A little bit more expensive than the Maybelline, which was about $6, $7. And this is $10. And I like this. I do. I like the shade for me. It's definitely, I will say, not full coverage. Definitely not full coverage. As you can see, I felt like I needed to add a little bit more under my eyes. It's getting really, I have dark spots in my eyelids. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera because a lot of people are like, you don't even need makeup. Your skin is beautiful. Thank you. I really, really appreciate that. But I see it's dark right here under my eyes. You may not see that on the camera because I have lights and everything like that, so it looks different to you guys. But I have dark spots under my eyes and on my eyelids as well. And I felt like I needed to add a little bit more to kind of camouflage or cover that up, because initially the first application of the foundation did not do that for me. But yeah, this is not bad. I don't really need full coverage foundation anyway. I usually just use concealer whenever I highlight and all that and put eyeshadow on. It covers that up anyway. So usually I get like more of a medium coverage foundation, but this is really, I'm very impressed with this. It does not feel weird on my face. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't smell like anything. Ever since I did Huda Beauty, I'm always smelling my foundations. It's weird, but it does not have a smell. It does not feel oily. I think it was with the Maybelline that it felt oily. Right when I put it on, I was like, this feels oily, and turns out it was oily. Does not feel oily. It's very lightweight, very smooth going on. I love the bottle, the packaging. I love the amount of shades that they have. I love the price that it is, and I love the shade that I picked. Once again, this is Almond. So if you are considering getting the NYX Born to Glow foundation, I am a 420 in Fenty Beauty. I am a 365 in Maybelline, matte poreless foundation. And I am a 500G in Huda Beauty. And I'm Burkina in Juvia's Place foundation. So that, if you feel like your skin tone is about the same as mine, you can use me as like a reference, I guess, when you're picking out your foundation. Again, this is Almond. This is Almond, and I like this. To me, this is like a perfect match. My skin matches, like right here, it matches. It's not, usually, sometimes I have an issue with it being too dark, a lot of times, or even too light, but this seems like it goes, and it's nice and smooth, and I really, really like this. We're gonna go ahead and set this. Y'all know I love my Huda Beauty. I'm sorry, I can't, somebody was telling me about some other setting powder. I'm like, I just love Huda. It just works for me. It just gives the foundation even more, just glow to it. And just smooth. Look how smooth that looks even more. Like, come on. Come on! Yeah. Yeah, I like this, y'all. I like this. I like this foundation. This is really cool. I really like this. So, yes, I am gonna go ahead and finish up my face, and y'all stay tuned. Keep on watching. All right, guys, so I'm back, and I have just added some things, just something a little simple, to my face. Some eyeliner, just a little lash, little highlight, some lipstick, that's about it. And it may not seem like it to you guys, it may not just seem like a quick second, but I actually, it's been like an hour that has gone past, and this foundation is still beautiful. I mean, it has not, the color is still the same, because some foundations oxidize, and this could have oxidized, but it definitely didn't do anything major. As you can see, it still looks great after having it on for about an hour. Definitely not oily at all. And it's not shiny. It still has a nice, smooth, matte look. So listen, this is a thumbs up for me. I really like it. I'm loving this. This is beautiful. This foundation is really pretty. I really, really like this foundation on me. Again, I got the shade Almond. It was $10. I'm not sure the price at Ulta and Walmart or anything like that. It's probably a little bit cheaper, especially maybe somewhere like Walmart, it might be cheaper. But it was $10 on NYX website. They have a lot of different shades. So definitely this is getting an all-around thumbs up from me. NYX Born to Glow foundation. Again, it's medium coverage, definitely not full coverage, but they do have full coverage foundation. That's just not the one that we were reviewing today. I am also loving this new lipstick I got. It is this right here by Sugar. It is the matte as HE double hockey sticks, and I'm not gonna say the word, but matte as you know what, crayon lipstick, and this is in the color Stephanie Plum. This came in my Ipsy bag for this month, and I love this. This is beautiful. Looks just like that, and this is gorgeous. First time wearing it, and I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. Like it a lot. Alrighty, so that is it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Sadly, we are almost at the end of Foundation Friday. We have about 2 more episodes left. Please keep on watching. I will continue to review foundations, but it'll just probably be added to my Makeup Monday, okay? So we're almost through with it. Always doing Makeup Monday and Watch Me Wednesday. So Monday and Wednesday, you can count on seeing me posting a video. Thank you so much for your support, your love, subscribing, liking, commenting. It is totally, totally appreciated. Thank you guys so much. And as always, you gotta be safe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Hit that bell button too so you can receive notifications of new videos that are posted. See you next time.